Just thinking of a couple of days ago when was Pocket's going to make a comeback. We've got a turnaround weather-wise today as well. We do have active weather on the way later on today, but instead of snow, we're talking primarily precipitation of the liquid variety. We've got cold rain coming in, so I guess it's not as exciting as it sounded at first. Our St. Joseph Hospital WeatherBug camera shows traffic's moving. There is moisture showing up on the Max track. This is moisture aloft, initially showing up as some snow and mixed precipitation. They could see a little bit getting down to the ground out around Owensboro and Bowling Green. So as this moisture rolls in, we'll have a warm front doing the same. And you can see we're easily caught between the warm front and cold front. Here's where it's milder in the middle, and this is where we're going to spend much of our day. Like they're seeing the rain across Missouri this morning. It's a big winter storm up north. They've got winter storm warnings. They've got winter weather advisories. They've got a blizzard warning out for parts of Iowa. And that's where the heaviest snow is going to be, right in that area. So what are we going to see? Well, it's primarily going to be cold rain. A hint of a mix at the onset, potentially out west, but by the time the moisture gets to us, we will be into the 40s this afternoon. So yeah, cold rain. On the back end of this moisture, though, and it'll be on and off through the afternoon and evening, we could transition back to a rain-snow mix late this evening, early tomorrow morning before that cold air and all of that moisture rapidly pulls east and out of here. So it's a quick hit. And don't anticipate any kind of accumulation out of it. Could be some minor accumulation on the ridge tops into our eastern counties, but that's a pretty slim chance. The rest of the weekend, well, there's a front trying to stall out, so we're showing a hint of some light snow showers overnight into early Saturday morning. We'll have to watch out for that. That's a pretty limited chance as well. Rainfall out of this, lighter east, heavier west, where you could see upwards of 1/4 to 1/2 inch. Southern Indiana, western Kentucky, we're more in a few tenths of an inch of rain. So, yeah, just more of a nuisance than anything else. It's not going to be a heavy rain event, but it will be a rain event as opposed to snow. Look at that. We're in the mid-20s. We've got the wind chill in the teens this morning. And the temperature will rise. I mean, you can see that bubble as the warm front lifts into the upper 40s around 50 south. And then you can easily see that colder air coming in behind the cold front. There it goes overnight. So early tomorrow morning, we'll rapidly drop into the 20s. So you want to watch out. Roads will be wet from the rain and will drop down below freezing. So there may be some slick spots overnight, and we'll bump around in the 30s heading into the upcoming weekend. That core of that Arctic air that was looking to drop in for a visit Sunday, Monday, well, even that is backing off. So there's a little bit of good news. The future track does show the below normal temperatures, well below normal temperatures, that Arctic air descending into early to the middle of next week. But notice how it just holds to our north. So we'll get cold. We're just not going to get as cold. And for today, really nothing cold about it as far as the temperatures go. We'll call it chilly, mid-40s, well above our average high. In the low 40s. We're talking mid to upper 40s and down south into the 50s. Check it out. Flemingsburg 46, West Liberty, it could hit 50 today. Notice your rain chances lower out into our eastern Kentucky counties as well because it's going to take longer for that rain to get to you. So a little warmer, a little drier, longer in the day, south and east. There's that colder air that's heading our way for the upcoming weekend.